Today's topic is growth spurt. Growth sites are responsible for a greater increment of growth. The many growth sites may be active at one particular period of time than the other. This uneven or sudden activity of growth site is responsible for growth to occur as spurts. This is called growth site or growth peak. Growth spurts are believed to be due to physiological changes in hormonal secretion. Timing of growth spurts varies in males and females. Growth spurt starts late in boys and extends longer, thereby giving a larger growth compared to females. Growth of growth spurts and age of occurrence is different for males and females. Childhood spurt for females is 3 years and for males is also 3 years. Juvenile, it is 6 to 7 years for females and 7 to 9 years for males. Prepubertal, for females it is 11 to 12 years and for males it is 13 to 15 years. Growth spurts in maxilla and mandible. Growth of jaws usually correlate with the growth spurt of general somatic growth and growth in height that occur at puberty. Pattern of growth is same, but the intensity and the velocity is less. There is an acceleration in mandibular growth related to maxilla and result in differential jaw growth. As a result of these changes, face become less convex as chin moves forward and become prominent. In general, jaw growth follows the general body growth curve. In girls, there is juvenile acceleration in jaw growth that occur 1 to 2 years before the adolescent growth spurt. Juvenile jaw growth can equal or sometimes exceed the pubertal growth spurt of jaws that accompanies secondary sexual characters and other physiological changes. Next is the clinical implication of growth spurt. Knowledge of growth spurt is essential for successful treatment planning in orthodontics. This helps to decide the timing of orthodontic treatment. For example, arch expansion can be undertaken during this growth spurt. Next, when the malocclusion needed to be corrected, surgically can be carried out after the completion of active growth. Interceptive orthodontic procedures are performed during the growth spurt period. To differentiate the growth, whether normal or pathologic can be determined. But puberty and growth spurts occur at an average of nearly 2 years earlier in girls than boys. The onset of menarche in females and change to male voice in boys indicate that they have crossed the peak height velocity of pubertal growth spurt. Thank you.